All right, listen up. Tired of wrestling with that pool skimmer like it's a 12-round bout? Yeah, me too. That's why today we're deep diving into the robotic pool cleaner. This cordless warrior is about to reclaim your weekend. This bad boy isn't just another gadget, it's a pool cleaning powerhouse. We're talking about 100 minutes of runtime on a single charge, enough to cover pools up to 850 square feet. Forget about tangled cords, this thing is completely cordless, giving you the freedom to sip a beverage while you watch it do the dirty work. Charging should be fast and efficient, it should be powerful with great suction, which will allow it to grab all those leaves and debris and do all that work for you. But you know what, I've been using it for about 2 weeks, so let's go ask me poolside how it actually worked out. All right, so here it is. This is from CoasTeering. I've been using it for about a week now, and I have to say the first thing that you need to know is the runtime is actually pretty darn good on it. Been really kind of impressed with that. So this pool is exactly not the right pool for this. This is designed for flat bottom, smaller pools. And as you can see, I have a crazy pool. I'm very lucky to have that. But it also makes a fabulous test platform for this, right? Because if it can do a good job here, it's doing a good job anywhere. So speaking of here, we have a full cage here. So we don't get a lot of big debris, but we do get sand and dirt and that kind of stuff. So we're gonna open this up first time, see what we find. Oh, it has definitely found some dirt and debris. I can see it already here. What? Look at this. Those little bugs. Oh, I know what this is. One of our plants must be shedding like little seeds or whatever, and there are a bunch of it in here. Let me show you what it looks like in the unit itself. Look at how much sand and debris this has picked up. I mean, this is has absolutely exceeded all my expectations of what was going to be in here. So as I said, lots of sand, debris, bugs and stuff from the little plants that we have. Really did a fine job. I'm actually a little surprised that it got that much sand. I'm not totally sure where it's all coming from. Anyway, let me take it outside, show you how to clean it out real quick, and then we'll come back, finish this up. Welcome to the side of the house. It's a little noisy. We got air conditioners, heaters for the pool, all that stuff going, but it's a great place to clean pool robots. So let me show you how you clean this up. Again, you just simply open it up, right? You're gonna take the top. Let's just give the top a good rinse. All right, we got the top clean. Then, first thing you have is the filtery kind of screen thing. You always want to push the debris out. All right, so we got that. Then obviously this has all that sand that we discussed earlier. We're gonna rinse all that out. So all there is to it is super easy, right? Actually, one of the nice things about this design is it is actually clocked. You see there's a flat end here, there's a flat piece matches up here. You simply match it up. Only goes together one way. Same thing, here's this flat end here. Let's match it up. That, all clean. Let's go talk about it. All right, so you now know what's involved in resetting this, cleaning it up, getting it ready to go again. All you do is plug it in, charge it up, you're ready to go. I have to say, if you're looking for a super low maintenance, easy, not horribly sophisticated, but just what you need for a flat bottom pool, I think this could really meet your needs. If you want to get one, there is a link down below. Feel free to use that. It actually helps out the channel. Costs you nothing extra, so we're going to say thank you in advance if you can do that. Remember to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video. All right, here we are in the past, right? Because you've seen the test of this, you've seen how it worked, and now we're gonna do a quick unboxing so you can see what it comes with. So it comes with instructions and, unusually, a couple screws. It's been a long time since I've gotten a pool bot that I actually have to do some work assembling it. Plug to charge it. Here's the handle, which clearly takes 4 little Phillips screws for me to install. And here is the CoasTeering Pool Bot. Now this obviously, you've seen the review already, but this is just a basic bot designed for above ground pools, less than 1,000 feet, no walls, no deep end, that kind of stuff. Obviously our pool is the most crazy test that a bot like this will see. but based on the fact that you're still here, it must have done pretty well. Normal kind of conventional construction. This is going to be rechargeable a little less than 2 hours. Here's where the debris is going to collect, a filter to make sure you get the fine particles out. Right now it is perfectly clean, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, I'm going to plug it in, attach the handle, and show you video which you've already seen of whether it worked or not. So I hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.